Hello everybody, welcome back to Grifted Designs. In this video I'm going to show you how we are going to add staircase, railings and make openings on the slabs. So we're actually going to make an opening in the first floor slab. The opening will be somewhere around this point here. So make sure that you follow more. For those watching the video on TikTok and those watching the video on YouTube, please do subscribe to the channel. So let's start. We'll go to the ground floor. Let me just hide my elevations. Please do note that this is a newer version of Archicad. This is Archicad 26. So people using older versions may not usually have the same experience, but the procedure is somehow the same. So we are going to start by adding the staircase. So you'll go to the stair tool. This is the stair tool. You can press Ctrl T for the settings, or just click at this point there. Then make sure you change this to not linked. Then change the projection at this point to be at 0. Then come here. This is where how your staircase should start. So you should always start with the riser and also finish with the riser. That is the easiest. Then you are just going to select the length for your tread. So I'm going to go for 300. That is the default. Then I'm not going to adjust the riser height. This is where I adjust the riser height. It varies. For Archicad, I see the maximum you can set is 168, which is not so bad after all. Then nothing much you can change here. The rules, you can't change anything there. Then go to structure. See, everything is fine there. Flight. So this is where we are actually going to set our waist thickness. Remember, we used a slab thickness of 150, so we'll have to use the waist to be 150. Then go to landing. It's also going to be 150. Then these ones I usually like to change the pen to this pen style to the number 2. Then activate these ones. Then you're actually going to change the material. I want them to be white, titanium white. Then we can actually proceed to the tread. This is where you actually do your tread settings. You can choose the nosing, the shape you want. Don't usually like interfering with this, so I just leave it at that. Then usually change this and this. Then override this one. Then choose it, make it match with my floor covering. So I'm actually going for the turn. There's nothing much you can change here. Then riser. Also change the pen style to this. Then override this surface here. Just go for tile turn 30 30 by 30. Then I think everything else is done. Don't think if I've left anything. Let me override it also. Here everything is already that, just check mark those ones like that. I don't think if I've left anything. I want this is actually where you set your flight width and landing width, same thing. So I want mine to be 1000 millimeters wide, and just press OK. Usually I do sample first before, so that I know how my staircase will be, but I don't want it from that direction. I need to change the direction. I want this one. So then I'm just going to come go to where I want to place my stairs, then type the distance for the treads to the landing. So the first distance will be 2400, since I want only 8 treads at that point. 2400. Then select this landing here, type a distance of 200 and press enter. Then select the flight tool again, then now type 2700, because I want now 9 treads. 2700, sorry. Just press OK, and you will have your staircase placed like that. It's not exactly at the same place, at the exact point I wanted it to be, so I'm just going to drag it to the point I wanted it. So I want it at this point, like that. Remember, we are having a wall here, that is why you can't see the number 19 here. So you can actually go check it in 3D how we've placed the staircase. In 3D, this is what we have. Then this is the wall I was talking about, because I placed a cloakroom under the stairwell, so wanted mine to match with the floor covering. That is why I changed everything. So this is the staircase.